Hey guys, Joey at Truck Market down here in Memphis coming at you. I've got a super rare find in a 15 model Kenworth W900. It's an 86-inch studio glider kit. So there's not very many of these built. Wanted to show it to you as we got it in here and cleaned up. It's got a 12.7 Detroit, 13 speed. I'm gonna do a full walk around for you, show you underneath the hood, and then finally there in the interior, show you what a studio package is all about. Let's get started. It's a one owner, super clean, Southern truck, no rust. See, you see it's very well taken care of. Not all the way hot, but pretty warm, and it's normal blow by for a Detroit. Say light to moderate. Really cool look to it. Add a little nice customization there, like that. Looks like he probably had the cab extenders on at one time. BIT interior. That couch lays out into we'll pull out into a bed. Here's your place. You got a full-size fridge in there. Nice. So $850 on the clock total, a little under $500,000 on an overhaul on the engine. See, not quite up to operating temperature, but pretty warm. And the oil pressure looks really good. Super responsive on this one. This one sounds mean. Man, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one, definitely feel free to reach out to me. Let me know. 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.